Hi there, it's Roseanne here with an exclusive video for our Country Chic paint retailers. One of the easiest ways to build a loyal customer base and to bring customers back to your store on a regular basis is by continuously offering exciting new workshops. There is such a wide variety of Country Chic paint products that the possibilities for classes are endless. You can teach technique classes, but you can also offer different take-home projects to pique new interest. In this video, I'd like to share just a few project workshop ideas with you. However, I would recommend to try searching Pinterest as well for DIY craft projects. There is a wealth of inspiration and ideas on what's trending right now. We've created a few low-cost project pieces here that I'd like to talk to you about today. Most of these projects are made from simple pieces of wood or from items you can purchase in a craft store. Remember that you can also purchase picture frames from us until our supplies last. The ladies in the office can give you those details. Most of these projects can be done in a 1.5 to 2 hour class, so they're perfect for keeping people engaged and showing off the products without dragging on too long. First up is this picture frame that we turned into a message board. It was finished with a textured finish of fresh mustard and finished with a coat of elegance over top. You can use this glass to show the wet distressing technique as well. There are lots of picture frames at secondhand stores that would be suitable for projects like this, or you can ask your students to bring their own. You can teach all sorts of techniques on picture frames. The crackle medium is another example that is great to teach on frames. Here are 2 frames done with the crackle medium, and as you can see, I made them into small chalkboards, so you can also teach people how to create their own chalkboard surface. We have another video that explains that in full detail. You can also teach classes about distressing, waxing and glazing with picture frames. This is another textured picture frame that we also finished up with some antiquing dust. You can teach that as well in your class. Another inexpensive and fun project is a children's artwork display piece. This piece here was stained first with smoky quartz glaze and then finished with another coat of graphite glaze, finished with some distressing to bring out the wood grain. You can have your students write out a quote with a piece of chalk and then hand paint the lettering on with a fine artist paintbrush. Afterwards, you can attach some wire and add some clothespins so you can hang up your kids' artwork. A project that's also fun to do is creating a coat rack or a jewelry display piece. For this particular piece, I used some pellet wood. I decoupaged some pretty napkins on it and then added a bunch of knobs after distressing it. Make sure you drill holes in the boards before your class so that they're ready to hang and have knobs added during your class. If you'd like to run a stenciling class, you can have your students create signs like these ones. At the same time, you can also teach them about layering colors, distressing techniques, and waxing. Another idea is to create little home decor blocks like this one, so your students can learn how to use the texture medium to create raised stencil effects and how to layer colors. For a slightly longer class that combines lots of different techniques and products, you can paint, crackle, and decoupage storage crates like this. Because of the different steps involved, you likely want to build in a break in the class to give things a chance to dry. To speed everything up, you can always use a blow dryer so that dry times can be shortened. A fun seasonal class idea would be to use different techniques and specialty products to embellish a wooden banner. I just picked this one up at Walmart for just a few dollars, but it should be available from your local craft stores as well. You can use this to teach all sorts of techniques. Think about decoupage, crackling, metallic finishing, distressing techniques, glazing, waxing, textured finishing, stenciling, and more. Another project piece that you can combine lots of different techniques on are birdhouses like this. They are quite affordable from craft stores and make for a great little project in a class. If you like building things, or if you know somebody who is very handy, you can also create some pellet wood decor, like these stars. They lend themselves very well for teaching the whitewashing technique. You can also use them to teach how to use the texture powder, glazes, waxes, and more. For an advanced techniques class, you may want to consider teaching how to create a faux oxidized copper finish. You can let your students work on this technique on wooden letters for a unique piece of home decor. There are many different classes you can teach, and I hope I've given you a few new ideas today. I would love it if you came to the retailer group on Facebook to share your workshop ideas with the other retailers as well, so that we can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching, and happy workshop planning!